Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started the video without wasting your time. So guys, here's errors app not available. This app is currently not available in your country or regions on iPhone, iPad after iOS updated. So how can fix this issue? Simply step by step and follow them. So first, back home screen, close the page. Again, opens App Store app on your iPhone and iPad. After that, tap on profile icon and then tap on Apple ID. Now waiting a few seconds. Now we can see his new appear on screen and then scroll down and tap here country or regions. And waiting a few seconds. Now we can see his new appear on screen and choose a country and search. If you want to change your country, so select the country regions and tap on continue and then tap on agree. Now as new appear on screen, then tap on none, then scroll down and fill in the blanks. Enter your city name and then tap on passcode. Now tap on phone number. Then tap on done. Now we can see is change country or regions and back home screen. Again open App Store app and try to get any apps download. So guys, tap on get app. Now we can see is download. So guys, if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.